All right, what's good, Joe? Let's bang this out. I'm gonna make this a short session because I have school stuff I need to work on. But yeah, let's see where we left off for get stats. All right, so we have. Oh yeah, it was the crashing thing. So I should be able to go here to dev, build the project. And then I can put this in the tray thingy. Alright. Oops. Oh wait, I need to load that in GDB. GDB OBS. Run. Launch anyway. Alright. So let's go ahead and add get stats, and then it crashes when we add this. Or not. But what it is doing everything on its time, I think, is... Oh, right. I need to have a second one of this. Yeah, so we can keep this for dev. Move this over here. Get stats. We are looking for a source. No, wait. Interface, I think. Right. So those are going to take. Those are going to take extra time, but it's whatever. So we check the modified status. We haven't modified anything. So instead we should say mod and I only care about what this is. Right, so we delete this. Oops. We can close this. Yes. And then we are taking the time across what should be tick total. Yes. Okay. Actually, I can close this. OBS run. All right. Oh, right, because the init wasn't working. Why? Because tick. No. Init run by default is 1. This should be 1 at one point. Okay, so what we can do is we could just break at update tracked files. And then you start it over, and this first one should have in it at 1. And it is 0. Why? I see why. Because we didn't have it off rip. Because we were under the assumption that we were going to run it every single time. That might be not be the way of it. Well, so we can just have a separate one. Because can't we just say like global for running update on startup, and then it could just be static int and update equals 1. So now we don't need this. Oops, I do need that though. Init update, and then at this point this should be init update and equals 0. I should really stop checking every time. Oh, what's wrong? Init. Oh, I spelled it wrong up top. Oops. Wait, why did I do that? Oh. Alright, so now we add it. Okay. So what's wrong with this? Print data. Make sure we can access that. So we have no previous added. No, yep, that should be right. And then we have our tracked files and all of that. Previous. Oh, I see. This hasn't been mallocked. When should it be mallocked though? Alright, where are we at right now? This is update. Yeah, so it should have been here. But why is it? Tracked paths 0, 0. Did we should have run update. Or no, tick shouldn't be running before update, because when we create, it should have run update. Yeah. So why is that null? Because that's holding up our stuff. Times. Yeah, because this Does this have everything? This should be data tracked repo times. Wait, this is an array, so I can just be like, okay, give me the first one. Yeah, this is populating correctly, but the previous values haven't been initialized. So if they're greater than free, but they shouldn't have been, oh, this should be I. Oh, man, update. That should be null. Track paths. Right. Yeah, here it is. Why am I not in insert mode? Okay, that might do it, but I don't think so. Because null shouldn't be 0, I don't think. The null byte is 0. Quit, yes. GDB, obvious. I didn't spell it right. Run. Yes. Bam. But that shit took long. But is the next one, okay, the next one's quicker. But did it just give me a different value though? Oh no, it didn't. Okay, why is it not much faster though? Because we shouldn't, okay, wait. Let me check that we are skipping over stuff. But I also have a lot more repos now. So that might also be it. Because yesterday I did add a lot of repos. But also I'm steady at 30. But this is helpful because I'm almost certain that this would have been past 100s if I didn't have the checker. Check file log, update tracked files, update tracked, update tracked. I want to make sure we're actually doing something. So we should be able to comment this out, and that gives us our previous behavior. So we can see how fast that is. Because we're about around 90 to 100 on our current, well, I say 88 because I set the lowest of 88. Init, unused parameters. So we're going to say, we don't care. Alrighty. GDB OBS, run. Yes, launch it. Bam. Oh, bam. 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 Okay, so it does take a lot longer. Cool. So we're in the right direction. And it's only going to get longer if we add this. Or it's going to crash. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. That's a later issue. But we smacked off a third of the time, which is super good, but not good enough. Because, okay, the minimum realistically that it can be on a slow path is actually, you know what I want to do? I want to see how long it takes to update now. Just updating specifically. So we can come down all the way to updates, update, and then we need to take the bottom one. Here we go. And bring it all the way to update. Update. Did I go too far? I don't think so. Yeah, there we go. Oh wait, I got rid of the void thing, right? Yeah. Oops. Okay, that takes forever still. Oh. Okay, so the initial update takes forever and a half. But if we don't update, we don't update. So that's great, actually. That is fantastic. Because that means the checker... Right, I do have this over the right thing, right? Yeah, so the checker itself to check all these tracked files is super fast comparatively. I doubt many of these things are fast, but because where are we at? Yeah, this is fast, which is exactly how I want it to be. Now we figure out everything else. All right, so yeah, I do have to figure out the crashing stuff, but we can leave that. I want to give me a branch performance. Okay, cool. Status, git add all, git commit. So I guess this is a feature added. Wait, was this the whole thing? Git reset, git diff, check modified status. Yeah, okay, I see. This is kind of a feature. Use or check folders to see or check. I don't know how to name this command. See folders when modified. All right, cool. I said it was gonna be short, but I got more than I thought I would get done today. All right, cool.